Hi, my name is Chef Ronaldo Linares, owner of Ronaldo Linares Private Chef Services. Today, I am teaming up with Kingsford Charcoal, Walmart, and Masterbuilt Grills on the virtual Smokehouse tour to help you master your own backyard. This is the world's first grilled Cubano sandwich. This grilled Cubano sandwich is probably one of the best bites you'll ever have. Now it's time to get our ingredients out of our bag. Let's see what we got. We got some pork butt. All right, it's a good start. We got some ham. We got some Swiss cheese. And of course, el pancito for it. But we also need other ingredients. I already pre-measured everything. We got some mustard, kosher salt, black pepper, sage powder, granulated garlic. That's always a tough word. And cumin powder. So first off, what we need to do is to truss the pork butt. That's gonna keep its shape, keep the juices in. Now, we are ready for our wet rub on that pork butt. So let's take this to the side, getting the mustard into the bowl. The next ingredient, our salt, black pepper, ground sage, ground cumin, and our granulated garlic. And now we're gonna grab our spoon and we're gonna mix our wet rub. This wet rub is pure magic. So we're gonna add approximately 2 spoons to each. And now we're going to use our hands to rub the pork butt. Now it's time to wrap our pork butts with a bit of foil. During the 4th of July, our Independence Day, barbecuing for me is super important. And as a veteran, it means even more. And charcoal always played a part in it. We don't use gas, right? Charcoal imparts flavor, takes your food to another level, and it does bring a lot of childhood memories back. So now that we got our pork butts wrapped up, we have to get our Masterbuilt 560 Gravity Series started. This thing makes barbecue hassle-free. The first thing you need to do is load in the charcoal, bring out your app, set it to 250 degrees for 4 hours. Let's get to it. We gotta take our pork butt out. It's been 4 hours. We're going to remove the pork butt and we're gonna let it rest for about 20 minutes. It's like open up a nice gift in Christmas, baby. Look at that. This is, I mean, absolutely beautiful. We got this liquor right in there, which we're going to use for dunking. All right, so let's get this pork butt off of here. And remember, we have to reserve this liquid. So we could just put it into a nice small bowl. Let's put that liquid in there. Ah, very nice, very nice. And then we're going to cut our pork butt. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Just nice and tender, juicy. So now we're going to finish slicing this up, and then we're going to set up our grilled Cubano sandwich. We got this going. I set it up to 300 degrees because we got to set up our sandwich. Remember to do it in this sequence. Split the bread into 2, spread the butter, Swiss cheese on both sides, ham on both sides, pork on one side, pickles on one side. Close the sandwich, cut into 2 equal pieces, put it on a tray right into your Masterbuilt 560 Gravity Series. Remember to set it to 300 degrees for approximately 20 minutes. Right near the end, we're gonna cover it to give that cheese a little bit more love so we get that nice pull effect. So we're only gonna do that for about 3 minutes. Okay, that hit me in the mouth. The flavor is unbelievable. Write the recipe down and try it out. Because let me tell you, this grilled Cubano sandwich is probably one of the best bites you'll ever have.